Alright, today I'm going to be opening and reviewing the Energizer Charge Pro batteries. Now, I bought these batteries because I'm tired of going through batteries and throwing them away. There's a way that they actually can be recharged if you get the Energizer Rechargeable batteries, which are inside of here. This device right here can charge AA and AAA batteries, and it says approximate charge time for each of these batteries are right here. You can look over that a little bit later. So here is the pack right here. It says, what does it say on here? It says, helps to maximize battery performance. Ensures a full charge. Not exactly sure what all that means, but we'll get into it once I open it up. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It looks pretty secure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my cutting utensils and open this up. And inside is, the first thing is, what is this? This is, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. All right, so this is instructions. Okay, make sure you keep this so you can read the instructions on how to use this. And underneath here is another drum roll. Here is the actual batteries that can be recharged. So I believe AA and AAA batteries can be recharged in this right here. Right here are AA batteries. AAA batteries can fit in there as well. But read the instructions before you charge anything so you know for sure on how to do it. So here are the batteries. This is what it looks like on the back side. Here is a collapsible, collapsible plug, which is convenient for traveling. Just go ahead and put that up like that. And pretty cool, not too large. Good for traveling. And so right here, I believe, is remove this right here, and the batteries can actually charge once they are plugged in. It's raining batteries everywhere. All right, so here it is right here. You put the batteries in. There is a slots for AAA batteries at the bottom. You see that? There's slots for AAA batteries, and at the top, this is for AA batteries. I'm going to go ahead and put the AA batteries in, and it shows you how to put them in. The plus side facing up, the negative side facing down, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this in here. They go in relatively easy. And on this side, they just pop out like that, same way, and they go in the same way. You can put AAA batteries down at the bottom if you're going to be charging the rechargeable Energizer AAA batteries. I believe they go down there. Again, read your instructions before using this. I'm going to go ahead and pop these in. So once they're popped in, you can just simply charge the rechargeable Energizer rechargeable batteries by plugging this into the socket right here. So this is relatively cool. I look forward to using this and perhaps saving the planet by recharging my batteries. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.